Well, hello everybody, this is Dr. Jax from Guns & Cocoa, and today we will restore a very special, very rare percussion rifle. This is something you will see very rarely in the guns world. It was used in the 19th century for illegal hunting, for poaching. This is an original poaching gun. What is special on this gun? It's made, maybe, I'm not sure 100%, but I assume this is made from a pistol, so a single shot percussion pistol. You have here a barrel that you can screw off, turn off the other barrel. Then you are at home in the night, or in the late night, in the late evening, you're at home filling your pistol barrel with the load, with the powder and the load, and then you turn this into your pocket, this right barrel in your other pocket, and go for hunting in the royal woods to feed your family. And here is the caliber marked on the side. It's 13.6 gauge, and well, we will disassemble the gun, clean off the rust here. We have also some rust here on the top and on the downside, and we will check here for the trigger and of course for the hammer, and then give the stock, as always, a new oil shape and a reconditioning in oil, and then fix it all together and see what we could improve. Okay, so first of all, let's start with disassembling the gun. Let's see how we start. We start with a small one, and this one, I think. Carefully, as always, we do not want to destroy anything. Okay, this is for the hammer. Okay, how is this open? I think we will have to disassemble. Interesting. We will disassemble the stock. Okay, this is not working as I thought it would. Okay, here we have a winner. This is an old screw. Yes, I think so. So this one is not coming out somehow. Oh, let's take it with the plier. Carefully. No. This won't come out. With pressure, you press in the screw, and then it comes out of the wood. So I think the screw windings are destroyed. Let's do this as the last one. And we do the other screws. First, a large one and a short one. And now let's see how we can disassemble this one, this guy here. Maybe with another plier we can get it out. Oh, it's not easy. Okay, let's try again. Just have to, yes, that's the problem. Okay. I need to pull and turn it at the same time and not let it break out from the plier. But now I think we are good. Hopefully we are good. No, I have to take it all the way out of the plier. Okay, well, this screw is not in a very good condition. Okay, let's see how we can. Oh, okay, and everything is falling out. I hope I haven't lost any parts. Small parts. Here we have something broken, I think. Let's see. Okay, here we have the trigger unit. So lots of rust inside. Okay, and here this is broken. Alright. And it already was broken. So here we have a broken screw hole, and it's gone. Somewhere in my workshop. There it is. Okay. Okay. So we have to make a silver lot. Can you see that? Yeah. Make a silver lot. Repairing here. The hammer itself looks good so far, but it should have, actually it should have two positions, and this is first position. Alright, like this. Okay, then we have first position here. And second position. Okay, there's no second position. Okay, the first position here, it might not work anymore. Second position, okay. Okay, we're here with the spring. The spring is a bit deformed, and well, the hammer is actually really was in use. You see, the hammer is really has much very much hints of usage on it, and also the piston is destroyed from usage. I don't have another new piston. This I will left to the new owner, what he want to do. So, but I think as you can see here, this was a former pistol, and it was changed to a poaching gun by its owner illegally. And yes, so here we have some rust inside. We will clean that off here too, and then we will repair that one, and then we're good, I think, and open that hole into the barrel. The barrel itself, there's a little rust inside, but no corrosion, I think, and Yes, so let's start. First of all, we will clean. No, first of all, as always, we will do the stock with some oil. So where's my steel wool? Somewhere in this room. Here it is. The rest of it. And that one, some light. Here we have some reparations, the repairings on the stock, and yes, no reparations but repairings. Sorry for that mistake. This stock is in a very good condition. We don't need to waste too much time on it, just the basics. To make the new owner happy. Maybe he will get poaching, will go poaching with that gun, who knows. Because you only need one shot, you know, for the deer. And so with this gun you can easily shoot a roe deer in, I guess, 20 meters. You have a deadly shot on a roe deer with this for sure. Okay, so here we go. That's the stock. Very fast, very easy today, and we will let it dry over here. Did I make something? Destroy something? No. Okay, that's the stock. Now we do the cleaning of the rust. Carefully. Now inside. Okay, let's do the same with the spring. And the hammer. And the screws. Why don't we take a new screw for that one? Is because this one is original and it's still usable, so we will leave it like this. Okay, that's it with the cleaning. I think there's no rust on the bars. Here on the front there's. Okay. Is inactive rust. That's active rust. Pressing always subtly harm inactive rust and may activate it with the steel brush. If we do so, if we decide to clean inactive rust away, then we must assure that we are all through oiling on these areas very well. And we do some off cleaning of the inactive rust. That makes the weapon honest. I think it's the barrel itself looks inside really good, so I think this can still be used if you want to go hunting with a poach gun, as your grand ancestors do in Europe, or did in Europe. Then you can use that. Okay, so next, repairing of that one. This comes aside, this comes aside, this comes aside. Not much pieces. So we take our metal plate and this comes aside, this comes aside, this is garbage. Okay. I think I will up. Okay, we need here some thing to bring it up. But what we should use? Something that can become hot. Some steel plate. I know something. I think. There it is. Yeah, this one. This little guy here. See that? Ta-da. We This one needs something. This one maybe.